So, ito yun. Dito tayo. Hello? Hello? Hi! Hello! So, tapos na tayo dun sa Sonata Keys. Ito yung playground kasi families are here. Look. So, saan yung monorail bike dito? Ay, yata. So, yung train. Try to catch the train later. Okay. So, for now, I'll let you see the view in here. Parang family day. Here is not good. But I like smiling here. So I like. We're just going tour.
That's it. I was like, they kept talking. I'm like, is that it? I could be a social juice.
Guys, this is it. This is where almost the K-drama and yung mga nakikita natin sa mga K-drama movies. Ito yung daanan, no? Diba? So, it's better here when you have a partner or maybe
So pretty.
somewhere. Oh my God. It's so nice. I don't know why they wet the, what do you call this? The road. I can't really answer. So there is a cafe over here, and then someone is really talking here. Okay, so maybe I'll change. Oh, kansamida. 안녕하세요. So here right now at Nami Island, Nami Gid. Very solemn, nice place, and it's very nice pala talaga dito pagkasama mo yung asawa mo dito kasi nga ma-appreciate mo siya talaga. So yun, ganda lang, oh. Ganda. Yeah, sure. 20,000. Just kidding.
오늘 오후 12시 30분부터 4시까지
Okay, pose.
서울시에서 남이섬 어쿠스틱
One, two.
청춘 페스티벌이 진행될
Another
예정입니다.
one.
남이섬을 찾아주신 고객
Another
여러분들의
pose.
많은 관심과 관람 바랍니다.
Yeah. As
다시
you wish.
한번 안내 말씀드립니다. 오늘 오후 12시 30분부터 4시까지
Alright.
서울시에서 남이섬 어쿠스틱 청춘 페스티벌이 진행될 예정입니다. 남이섬을 찾아주신 고객 여러분들의 많은 관심과 관람 바랍니다. 감사합니다.
Oh, this is quite nice though. Do not enter. This is alright. Sorry. Very nice here, guys. I also take photo here in my phone. Wala tayong palalampasin dito. Ano ba yan? Ganyan lang? I don't know what's the significance of that fountain. Basta it's all story here. So you want story like this, like beautiful flowers. O diba? Ito, ang ganda. Yan. So, babalik kami sa alas 4 pa daw. Ayan o. Ganda ng mga landscaping dito. Tsaka very green. Kahit mainit, okay na lang. Nakaka-relax din kasi sa mata. Although, mainit talaga, no? So, try ko rin mag-picture dito. Kita nyo ba, guys? Oh. Grabe. What here?
Y'all look good, I can't lie.
Get my camera first.